off the mark for Ganguly.
Well, I thought he's been between sixes and sevens. He doesn't know where to work the ball on the leg side or pull out the big pull shot. Well, I know what he's going to do here. He's made his mind up. Short to me, you're going the distance in front of square. Carried, gone all the way. What a shot. How's that for confidence? He made his mind up just before he bowled that. If they bowl short to me, I'm going to pull it away on the leg side.
Well, what a good shot that is. You know, for someone who they reckon isn't great at the short ball, I've seen him punish a few long hops, let's put it that way.
Well, don't call this a short ball. This is not going to knock the bails off the stumps. Why is it so short? And he's been able to not only muscle it off the stumps, he's muscled it for six. Right off the middle. It's a shot Sachin Tendulkar is expert at. But now Ganguly in on the party. He is copping a hiding now, Ved.
Carved away again. That's six over cover.
Big hit. Nice shot. Does it go all the way? Yes, it does. That's a big one.
He stays in.
That's gone for six. Ganguly has made a deliberate policy of going after Boyer. You could see that in the first over. And he's picked him up and hit him absolutely straight down the ground for a big six. That's his set. There he goes again. That's another one.
This is giving Sean
Down the ground and six. Down here. That's in the air. Someone's under it. Will it go over his head? It does.
It missed time. It was a by Sourav Ganguly. Short arm pull.
Down the ground, six more.
Well draw with that.
Down the ground and just over the ropes. First six of the inning.
Big hit. Massive and maximum score.
They can afford to take a few risks, and I think we'll see a lot more of this.
That's big. That's over the pavilion as well, I think. Oh no, just clip the roof and into a crowd of joyous. Straight again. Another six. Tell you, it is a short boundary straight, but that
stuff. Stunning. See you later. 150 for Ganguly. 4 balls. Just like that.
well, it is a short boundary, and if you're going to have a